All right, it's a Saturday. I'm in lazy mode, so let's pick things up a bit with a little bit of liquid death. Haven't tried this before. Oh my god. Oh no. We got a pinhole. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Cut. Alright, we fixed the situation. It got a little messy. Liquid Death apparently has some tricks up its sleeves, and it sprayed all over my computer. Oh my god. Oh no. It got me in the face. I'm wet. Okay. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, where were we? So today we're just going to do a pretty chill video because it's a Saturday. I don't want to really be doing this, but I'm going to do it anyway. I just got sprayed in the face with this can of Liquid Death. Wasn't pleasant. It's in my eye. We're going to take a look at the crypto markets in today's video and see what's going on, because typically on the weekends, crypto goes straight into the toilets, and we're going to see if that's the case and if there's any chance it's going to turn around. This is very good. It had a pinhole in it. Don't know how that happened from it just falling. Maybe it hit the corner of this. I'll have to review the footage. So looking at Ethereum, we can see that crypto is still on a steady downtrend. There hasn't been any signs of a reversal just yet, so I'm still not buying. I do not recommend buying this just yet until there's a clear direction shift, unless you're hodling. It needs to break out of this zone and create a new bullish green uptrend. So currently Ethereum is doing this, waving down. It needs to run sideways like it's trying to do, and then eventually change direction and head back up and break out 4,500, 9,000, 15,000, 100K, whatever. Ethereum is going to go to those numbers, but it's going to take some time. So the magic support zone for Ethereum to hold is 2244. It needs to hold this range. It could also fall a little bit lower to 2197. 2170. So we'll actually create a range and say anywhere in this range will be a bottom area of critical support needed to keep this puppy alive. So we'll check out a few other crypto coins, see what they're doing. Ethereum is up 1% on the day. ADA up 2.9% at $1.47. I love ADA. I think ADA is going to be like a 3-4xer in the near term. Right now, ADA is lingering along these tops. See these peaks over here? Peak. That implies strong support, so that's why it's lingering right here. If it gets back above this range, it should bounce along here, waiting for Bitcoin and Ethereum to choose direction, and then this could possibly run up if that's the direction they go, or fall down straight into the toilets if it goes south. Bitcoin did do the inverse head and shoulders here. Here's a shoulder, here's a shoulder, here's a head. It should typically push up, but as you can see, it's done that over here. Shoulder, shoulder, head, came up and got rejected here, most likely will get rejected again. That's the $40,000 range. If Bitcoin can clear 40K, I'll be buying. Doge, let's look at Doge, see what the Doge killer is doing. Thin line right here to where it can break down much lower, and then all the crypto gains are gone. The rally will be completely erased. I highly don't think this is going to happen, but you never know in crypto, so that's why you wait. I'm not going to be buying into these cryptos until I see a clear direction change, and then I'll of course do a video, let everyone else know when that happens. So, hit the subscribe if you want to know when I put that video out. You'll be able to see it and the reasons why. I don't buy down here, unless I see a clear reason to. I wait. Once it breaks out, heads up, and clears certain areas, certain levels, I'll then be buying in, and I'm guaranteed to be in profits. If it does fake outs, if it starts breaking out, people buy in, and it's a fake out. It just falls back down, and like, oh my god, I'm trapped. I lost even more money. I keep adding into this. How many times can I possibly add in? Litecoin, here's the resistance on Litecoin. As you can see, I did do a inverse head and shoulders analysis over here, and it got rejected at this range, $200. Couldn't get through. It did peek through, it went up, it said peekaboo, and then it fell down right here. Came down, and now it's lingering sideways just like everything else. Pretty much everything is running sideways. This is crypto in a nutshell. Ran up on the rally, cooled down, and then bad news came out and sold off way more, and now it's gone sideways. So this is the level to where it began, and this is the level now. It can come down a lot more to the beginning, pre-rally over here, but Typically, it doesn't do that. It should hold this range and then head up with little waves in between, big waves maybe even. We need some good positive news on crypto. Crypto needs to incorporate solar, clean energy, and then the media's got nothing to talk about. Although they will, but that's where you need to just hold and not listen to outside influence. This is your money. This is your crypto. So as crypto has been very boring because it's gone sideways and slightly down, stocks have been booming, which is awesome because I've shifted back to stocks and I'm catching some good rallies on those while I wait for crypto to cool down. Once I see crypto start to inch up, I'll shift back to crypto, get in before the rally, and it'll head back up, and you can capitalize in both markets. Here's a good article and maybe give you some hope that Bitcoin will recover. Bitcoin at 200K by year's end. This is what some option traders are betting on, $200,000 price target, which is insane, by expiration of December 31st. And then here's another note. The chart also shows a small buildup of interest in the $300,000 and $400,000 calls. These calls are long shots and crazy calls. The people doing this, they're either YOLOers or the geniuses. They're scientists. And they know what's going to happen. That's it. Quick analysis of the markets. Crypto running flat, running sideways. Wait until direction has been decided. And that's when I'll be jumping in. I need to go wipe down my entire desk now because it's covered in whatever this liquid stuff is. That's it. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't know where my iPad is, so I'm going to do it with napkins. Don't forget, by hitting that button, it's getting you a little bit closer to retiring young.